What's up, I'm Alligator Man, and I'm here to teach you a little bit about how I dum out.
But I'm well prepared. I promise, homie, you don't want a problem in here because my niggas that touch to shut the party down. Some young wild niggas down.
Well, first I start off with a little bit of footwork. Start off with my heels and my toes. I keep my knees bent, keep my shoulders square. The footwork is simple. You just, bounce a little bit, take a couple steps, keep it simple. It's not too, complex. And then you start working your hands into it. And that's when it starts getting a little bit tricky. So you want to keep your elbows up for the first part of this. This move where you kind of crumble up a ball or twist a Rubik's Cube, and that all kind of represents trashing somebody, trashing the gang. So once you got the footwork down, you got your groove and you're bouncing. You can throw it to the beat, mix it up, roll your fists, cross your hands, stuff like that. So then we got cutting. That's going to be a vital part of transitioning. It'll help you go into the next move. And what cutting is pretty much, you throw up a gang sign. It might be your ops, it might be somebody you just don't fuck with. Throw it up, and then you cross it out. And, back in the days, niggas used to get beat up for crossing, shit out. But today, we just dancing. So, whatever they call this, I'm gonna call it the Johnny Bravo today. You're swinging your arms like you're shooting a gun. If you swing your hands downward first, it kind of, I don't know, it works a little bit better. Say you're solving your Rubik's Cube and shit. You can throw it out and shoot it, because you couldn't solve it, so fuck it, shoot it. Shifting gears. It's all in the wrist, pretty much. And then bouncing with your wrists and shifting gears to the beat. Usually to go into the shifting gears, you want to throw something up into the air, make your wrist drop, and then start shifting. Or you want to find some way to, get behind the wheel, and then you can just start shifting. The Gangstalicious dance, the Beano is similar, but you're just swinging at the wrist. At the waist. You might want to throw your gang up while you do it. And it helps a lot if you slide your feet while you do it, so always keep your feet moving. Now, a quick history on the Dum Out. It originated in the streets of Hartford through gang culture and parties. People used to throw up gangs and then, cross each other out, and then niggas used to fight over it, and niggas got shot over it and shit like that. But, through the work of artists like Gangstalicious, God rest his soul, Lord Noble, Mob Keens, producers like Chill Shump and Freddie Duco, the Freaky has grown to something that, Connecticut has never seen before. Shout out to them. At the end of the day, whatever you do, just freak that shit. The Dum Out is still young. There's still new moves being added every day, So in the meantime, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think about the Dum Out.